Antarctica, the coldest and most extreme continent on Earth, shaped by freezing temperatures, violent winds, and vast ice sheets. With no permanent residents, it serves as a global center for scientific research, playing a crucial role in understanding climate change. Beneath the Antarctic seafloor lies a cold, dark world where life has adapted to freezing temperatures and extreme pressure. Strange creatures emerge: giant sea stars, sea spiders, ancient sponges, and bloodless ice fish. Moving slowly, living long lives, they form a unique ecosystem, vital for understanding evolution and climate change. On the Antarctic seafloor, creatures thrive in darkness, growing slowly but persistently, adapting to the cold and low oxygen. Born into -40 degrees, an emperor penguin chick has no insulation, no control over its body temperature. It cannot survive on the ice. Only the warmth of its parent keeps it alive. The energy reserves of adult emperor penguins are not unlimited. After weeks of incubating and warming the chick, one parent is forced to leave the colony. This is not a choice. It is a biological requirement. For the chick to continue living, one parent must travel to the ocean, the only source of food within hundreds of kilometers. In icy waters, penguins dive deep into the freezing sea, hunting fish, using powerful flippers to move fast and agile through the bitter cold. Each dive must be carefully timed. Every hunt a race against the cold and the limited oxygen in their lungs. The Southern Ocean is not neutral. It is a hunting ground. In the water, penguins swim alone. Beneath the ice, seals wait in silence, needing only a single mistake. Not every hunt ends in loss, but none are without risk. Those that survive return to the ice with just enough energy to continue. Here, life is measured not by victory, but by endurance. When a blizzard forms, it does not arrive suddenly. The wind shifts direction, air pressure changes, and snow begins to drift lower and denser. Within hours, visibility can fall to nearly zero. As winds strengthen and temperatures fall, penguins gradually huddle, reducing exposure and conserving shared heat. The chick stays at the center, the warmest position. Adults face the wind, forming protective layers. Positions rotate slowly, with precision. At the storm's peak, ground and sky vanish. The colony fades into a white void. No victory, only endurance.